Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the second video of transformation of the Continental GT535. In the previous video, we did the assessment what all was wrong with this motorcycle. Let's begin dismantling the motorcycle by removing the components like footrest, gear lever, triple clamp and shock absorbers. Next, we will strip off the existing coating as some parts have rusted or developed white oxidation marks due to water. Once prepped, we will paint them black to restore their look. Now we are reinstalling these parts, but the body panels are still awaiting a fresh coat of paint. This GT535 engine has some oxidation marks that we will be removing by buffing. The engine head will be painted with high temperature black paint to bring back the original shine. After a thorough discussion with the team, we have decided on vintage white color from the Vespa for the motorcycle body panels, complemented by blue accent. So we have already added decals and graphics to give this motorcycle a personalized touch and adding a little bit accent of the blue. I think the motorcycle looks more beautiful and it blends with the theme of the motorcycle now. So I was not very happy with the front fender and the headlight. So changing that and switching from the long fender, we have put a mini front fender and the headlight dome has been painted in the same color as the fuel tank, and the bezel on top of it is matte black. Inside, we have changed the light to the LED headlamp. After the headlight, the handlebar, earlier when we bought the motorcycle, it had a tall handlebar. We have switched back to the clip-ons, but this is not the original clip-ons. These are CNC machined clip-ons made from billet aluminium, and these are a little bit lower than the stock ones. About the seat was torn and we bought a new seat from the dealer, but again the cowl was black, so we had to paint it in the color matching to the fuel tank. So now finally the restoration of the GT535 is done, and now I would be enjoying this motorcycle for at least 2 weeks. I'll take it, I'll ride it, and I'll see if there is anything I can do more about the performance and the working of the motorcycle. In our next video, we will dive into the custom modifications to make this bike truly unique. Don't miss out. If you guys are enjoying this series, make sure to hit like, subscribe and comment for more updates.